Welcome to our channel. Today we'll treat the second part of microorganisms. We've already treated the first part. In the question we have here, the question says, which of the following is not a microbial disease? A. Typhoid fever. B. Osteomalacia. C. Cholera. D. Syphilis. In this question, the correct answer is B. Osteomalacia. Among these options, this osteomalacia is a disease that is not caused by any microorganism. Rather, it is a nutritional disease. The next question says, which of the following bacteria plays great role in nitrogen cycle? A. Rhizobium. B. Salmonella. C. Staphylococci. D. Streptococci. In this question, the correct answer is A. Rhizobium. Where studies have shown that there are bacteria that live naturally in the root nodules of legumes, and what they do there is that they convert atmospheric nitrogen to nitrate so that plants can make use of nitrogen in form of nitrates. And those bacteria that live in the root nodules of legumes are called Rhizobium species of bacteria. The next question says, the microorganisms that help in recycling the materials in the ecosystem are known as dash. A. Herbivores. B. Carnivores. C. Omnivores. D. Decomposers. In this question, the correct answer is D. Decomposers. These decomposers are microorganisms that help in recycling different materials in the ecosystem in order to ensure that the ecosystem is balanced. The next question says, a barrister who is not convinced that the air we breathe contains microorganisms can be proved to him or her scientifically through dash. A. Adaptation. B. Culture. C. Guttation. D. Transpiration. In this question, the correct answer is B. Culture. So in microbiology studies, culture is a scientific process of growing microorganisms or cells for microscopical examination. And through this process called culture, a lot of microorganisms can be produced in the laboratory. The next question says, the bacteria that are rod-like in shape are called dash. A. Streptococci. B. Staphylococci. C. Bacilli. D. Vibros. In this question, the correct answer is C. Bacilli. So these bacilli are bacteria that are rod-like in shape when a scientist views them with a microscope. The next question says, the following are bacterial diseases except dash. A. Malaria. B. Typhoid fever. C. Syphilis. D. Tuberculosis. In this question, the correct answer is A. Malaria. So among other diseases we have here, malaria is a disease caused by a protozoan known as Plasmodium. But other diseases such as typhoid fever, syphilis, tuberculosis are caused by bacteria. But this malaria is not a bacterial disease. The next question says, which of the following is a protozoan disease? A. Malaria. B. Typhoid fever. C. Syphilis. D. Tuberculosis. In this question, the correct answer is A. Malaria. We have already said that this disease called malaria is a disease caused by a protozoan known as Plasmodium. The next question says, Which of the following is not found in a microbial fungi cell? A. Nucleus. B. Mitochondrion. C. Chloroplast. D. Golgi apparatus. In this question, the correct answer is C. Chloroplast. So this structure called chloroplast is found in a plant cell, and this structure contains chlorophyll, which helps in photosynthesis in plants. But fungal cells, including microbial fungal cells, don't have this structure called chloroplast. The next question says, bacteria stain as gram-positive or gram-negative due to differences in their cell dash. A. Cytoplasm. B. Walls. C. Nuclei. D. Chromosomes. In this question, the correct answer is B. Walls. In microorganisms, research have shown that there are bacteria called gram-positive bacteria, and we have the ones known as gram-negative bacteria. The major difference between these two bacteria is the reaction they show, the reaction their cells show when a scientist use gram stain to test them. And studies have shown that when you look into the cell wall of these bacteria, they have a polysaccharide known as peptidoglycan, and this peptidoglycan varies in the cell walls of these bacteria. The next question says, which of these statements is true? A. A virus contains DNA and RNA. B. Viruses are acellular. C. Viruses replicate outside a host cell. D. Most viruses are easily visualized with a light microscope. In this question, the correct answer is B. Viruses are acellular. According to virologists, all viruses don't have cell structures, and these differentiate them from other microorganisms.